Underline the signs of failed oil pump to protect the engine. Oil is responsible for keeping the engine components cooled down by the car. Oil pump allows the oil to circulate throughout the engine components. Pump can generate the right amount of pressure to keep the oil moving. If the oil pump has failed, it can take the lubricating properties out of the engine. Below points to find the common signs of a failed oil pump in your car. Valve train sounds. Internal combustion engine has valves that control by a valve train system include valve guides, seals, push rods. If the oil pump has failed, then these components will not get proper lubrication. Overheated engine. All engine components generate lots of heat when they rub together and create friction. If the oil pump is not working, then no oil cool down the components and cause overheating. Decrease oil pressure. Oil pump creates the pressure to circulate the oil throughout the engine. If the oil pump is worn out, then it will decrease the oil pressure in the engine. Hydraulic lifter noise. Valve train of the car depends on the hydraulic lifters for functioning properly. Failed oil pump will not allow the hydraulic lifters to receive the proper lubrication. Unusual sound. If the oil pump is in bad condition, then it will cause unusual sound in many situations. In general, the worn-out gears within the oil pump will cause the noise. Conclusion. It's always advisable to replace the oil pump in your car as soon as possible. Replacing the oil pump by a reputed mechanic will save your money in the long run. Thank you.